friends. Hi friends, how are you? This is a YouTube channel. So this is everybody's channel. Here we upload easy and quick recipes for the people living abroad who are alone and who don't have anyone to cook on behalf of them. So they can cook easy and simple step recipes with this channel. So let's start the recipe. Today we will make puri bhaji. So people say bhaji with puri as with love, but actually this bhaji is called aloo sabji. So for this I have taken certain potatoes in the pressure cooker for pressure cooking, so that we can parboil them. And you can see the level of water is just equal to the level of potatoes in which they are dipped, so not more than that. So we can make it quick recipe, so that we can easy boil the potatoes in the pressure cooker. Within no time they can be boiled within one whistle, and then simmer the gas, and then your potatoes are cooked. So guys, we are waiting for what? Let's start the recipe. Just add garlic, ginger and onion. We have grated them into this grater, and we have grated this much only, and then put all these ingredients into the pan. We have taken zira, shahi zira, coriander seeds, and two chilies red, and one clove, and one cinnamon stick small. So add all these ingredients gently with the hand. Now you know what I would do. I would add a little salt to it so as to cook them more easily and quickly. So guys, I have added a small amount of salt into this. Not small amount, but one teaspoon full of salt into it. Now saute it till golden brown. By the time we are pressure cooking the potatoes into parboiled, I have added half a teaspoon of red chili powder. This is the Kashmiri mirch powder, MDH. And now it is the time to add tomato, because we have make them golden brown and then add red chili powder. So it is the appropriate time to add tomato. Not thinking too much, add tomato sauce. Add half a teaspoon of haldi powder or turmeric powder. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. A mix of Kashmiri red chili and turmeric powder will give bright yellowish and reddish yellow color to the dish, that will add delight to the dish. So it makes a good dish of you. We have also boiled the potatoes. Now you can see there is still a whistle, and it is the one whistle has gone, and I have closed the gas. I have closed the stove. So this is the way we have to make the potatoes parboiled. Guys, you have seen I have added finely cut coriander leaves, 2 green chilies large, and a few amount of or a pinch of dried methi leaves. That will add taste to the dish. So now it is a time consuming process. Cooking tomatoes is a bit difficult task, so that is why it will take most of your time. It will take almost 15 to 20 minutes to cook the tomatoes properly. So then we have to add the potatoes to it and then turn it into pressure cooker once again, and your dish is ready. So let's do that. So let me first of all make the process faster by cooking the tomatoes. I've taken parboiled potatoes and I have cut it into two pieces, two halves, so that they can't be broken midway when they will go into the tadka. So that is why you have to cut these parboiled potatoes like this, so that you can cut according to your choice later on in the sabji. Guys, you have seen that saute is properly cooked. You have seen that the bubbles are oozing out and they are popping up, and oil oozes out of the sides of the container. So it is the appropriate time to add parboiled potatoes. So let's add it gently like this. Now shake it with the gentle movements, not the hard one, because otherwise your potatoes will break on the way and it will not add delight to the dish. So that is why this is a very careful step. This you have to take care of this step while doing it. So see guys, it looks so sumptuous, so delight. So when we will eat it with the puri, it will definitely take you other way round. It will be very delicious. So let it cook properly again for a few more minutes here, and then we will transport the whole ingredients to the pressure cooker for 5 minutes of pressure cooking just, and then close the pressure cooker. You have seen guys, I have added a little amount of more water. Add the amount of water to which our potatoes are properly dipped and not more than that. So that, and the same amount of these ingredients you have to shift into the pressure cooker so as to make the process faster. Otherwise, if you add more water at this stage, your potatoes will not be going to be cooked, will not be going to cook in a few seconds or few minutes. So it will you have to take care of this step properly while cooking the potatoes. I have turned the whole ingredients into the pressure cooker for 5 minutes of more pressure cooking. So guys, our bhaji for puris is ready. You can see here it goes. Now you can pop up the potatoes in any way you want to eat, so that you can eat it easily, because they are a bit big pieces. Now you can cut it into your own shapes, into the shapes that you want, like this, and plate it. Like and subscribe. Serve it with puris and with a little onion and chutney. Like and subscribe.